Find out how to remove and reassemble the lower cover your 2026 Samsung WindFree air conditioner. Preparation. Turn off the power. Before cleaning the air conditioner, unplug the power plug from the socket and wear protective gloves. Removing the lower cover. Lower the airflow blade, then place your thumbs underneath and gently press the fastening points at the center and both ends while pulling it downwards. Start by pulling from the center, then detach it from left to right to remove the cover more easily. Reassembling the lower cover. Before reassembly, check the position of the fixing hooks inside the cover. Align the hooks with the grooves on the main unit and insert them first. Then gently push the cover upwards from the bottom until you hear a click to secure it in place. Press along the entire cover carefully to make sure there are no raised areas or gaps. Once it is fully secured, reassembly is complete. Check the operation. Plug the power plug back in and switch on the air conditioner. Check whether the airflow blade operates properly.